What's up? I'm Jamie, and I'm going to give you a tutorial for our latest jam routine to Unholy by Sam Smith. We're gonna break it down nice and easy for you so you can get every single move, nail all those head whips, and feel so sexy. Now, if you like this routine, we have hour-long workouts on the studio online. You can check the link in the description, go get a 2-week free trial and see what we have to offer. Let's dance. All right, so this is Kaylee, this is Jordan. They're gonna be kind of showing some of the moves behind me as I explain them. The first move is just gonna be a little freestyle. And now when he says unholy, you're just gonna bring your palms in a little prayer, and so they're ready to get up high whenever the next beat goes. And you're going to do a rond de jambes, that's what it's called. I don't know, but Kaylee does. So a rond de jambes is what she calls it. You're gonna bend into your left leg and scoop that right foot around as you bring your hands up. And then you're gonna sit into the pocket with a little dainty fingertip, and then you're gonna boom, boom, boom. And as you do the boom, 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 you're gonna take your hands down kind of sexy, real sexy, so that you're ready to take that left foot around for another rond de jambe, boom, boom, boom. Again, you're gonna do this 4 times, boop. And then the next one is the very last one. You're gonna end up here with that right foot popped, hip, hip, hip. You're gonna move this right foot out to the right as you sweep your hands down your sexy body, and you're gonna go circle, circle, hit, hit, up. Now I'm gonna explain that. You're here with your hands, you're gonna take the hand that's farthest away, and you're gonna bring it with your right leg in and cross the body as that left hand just goes right over to the right hip, thigh, ass, whatever you wanna grab. And then you're gonna switch, and you pop the other knee out like this. One more pop as you pull your hands back, and it's kind of like a waving motion up and pump your chest. Then you're gonna do the exact same thing to the left. Da, da, boom, boom, boom. Now I'm saying boom, boom, da, ha, 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 all that because it really goes with the music and not more with the counts. You're gonna do that 4 times, so one more to the right, da, da, boom, boom, ha. Now on that third one, you're actually gonna change it up just a little, and you're gonna go boom, 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 right here. So one hand goes to your lips, the other hand goes behind your head. Doesn't really matter which one. It goes perfect with the music. It's my favorite part of the whole routine. One last one to the left, reach, cross, up, and then you're ready for the second section. So the second section, you're gonna reach your right hand up as your right foot goes out, pull it in, and push it out as you drop that hip. Now shift your weight to your left foot, left hand up, and do it on the other side. Now when you do that, you're gonna look, and then real fast, you're gonna look back and stand. So it looks like this. Bum, 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 then a head whip to the left. This is probably one of the most challenging parts where you have to use a lot of your brain, which is a great thing. So when most of the work is done on the left side, as it is in this first round, so you go right, left, bump, bump, head whip, see most of the work was done on the left. Now that's gonna tell your brain to stick that left hand up in the air. Left, right, bump, bump, circle right. Now right, left, bump, bump. One more time, circle, so you do that 3 times. Now you're gonna hear some heavy hitting beats. You're gonna take that right knee in, right hand, boom, left knee, left hand, and then up, center, slap your thighs and roll it on up. Sexy, sexy, yes, yes, yes. Now, we're gonna do a little crawling on the floor. I'm gonna show a modification if you need it, but I'm gonna show the full out version first. You're gonna take that right knee, kind of take it in, put your right hand down. Then you're just gonna shift, left hand goes up, that's too slow, and then you go quick, quick, head flip, nice. And then you're gonna go back fast. Back, back, whip, circle, holy. Bring your hands right there. Okay, so fast, that looks like this. Bum, bum, da, da, ha, back, back, ha, circle, boom, boom, all right? And then, I have a hard time keeping my balance. We've all fallen at least once during this filming, so if you fall, don't worry about it. If you need a modification, you're just gonna crawl, crawl, da, da, ha, bump, bump, ha, unholy, okay? And then you bring your hands there. Just stay up, stay off the ground, and just do your thing and feel good about it. All right, so then your hands are here. You're gonna take this right hip and push it back, just like we just did, but you're not crawling. 1, and then left hip, 2, and then you're gonna step your left foot back, and right crosses over, and you're gonna turn, pause, keeping your hands at your chest, and he says she'll be dropping it. When she says, he goes, she'll be dropping it, boom. On that next pause, she'll be popping it. When he says popping it, you're gonna go popping it. There's another pause right after that, and you're gonna look. Popping it, look, while she put it down slowly, a little head whip, head whip. And then you can take that right foot, step it back as you take your arms up. Oh, wee, oh, wee, oh. And then 2 kids at, now you're gonna go on the left side, right, left, double there. So on that, I want you to think about, you come up, you go back, left, right, left, left, now left, right, right, okay? So you're gonna do 3, even though there's 1 fast, that next one is to the left. When you watch the video and it goes right with the music, you'll see it. Then you're gonna go right back into that crawl. 1 last time, down, bump, bump, ha, back, back, ha, circle, hit, hit. Now you're ready for verse 2. And you're just gonna go here, here, 1, 2, here, and you start over, and it ends the same way it started. So you're gonna end right here, and then you're gonna take it back, pop, bump, bump, ha, 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 again. And you do that 4 times, just like you started with. It's very repetitive, there's no bridge. It has the same sequence 2 times in a row. Own it, love it, practice it over and over. Trust me, we've been here practicing for like 2 hours, so don't get frustrated if you don't get it on your first time. Everybody needs repetition to feel really confident in their skin and have fun with it. So do it over and over. Thank you so much for joining us. Go watch that video.
Lucky girl, she got married to a boy like you. She'd kick you out if she ever knew about all the you tell me that you do. Dirty, dirty boy, you know everyone is talking on the scene. I hear them whispering about the places that you've been and how you don't know how to keep your business clean. Mommy don't know that he's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. He's sat back while she's dropping it. She be popping it, yeah, she put it down slowly. Oh, we go. He left his kids at home. We go, so he can get that. Mommy don't know that he's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy.
Daddy, if you wanna drop the attic, give me love, give me Fendi, my Balenciaga daddy. You gon' need to bag it up, cause I'm spending on Rodeo. You can watch me back it up,